think it's important that we have to find out when our teens are using and really monitor the fact that they are trying to experiment or have a risky behavior with alcohol use. Studies have found that those parents that are engaged with their adolescents and with their teens and have conversations with them about what is a healthy behavior, particularly when it comes to alcohol use, they would prevent them from actually binge drinking or really taking part in some of those risky behaviors. And studies have found that adolescents between the ages of 12 to 17 during their lifetime, 42% of them have said that they have tried alcohol once in their lifetime, whether it's at home or in a school setting or actually outside of school, maybe at a gathering. If you identify maybe an adolescent or teen in your home that you think may be engaging in risky behavior, I think it's really not to get excited about it, really to have a one-on-one conversation, letting them know that there could be consequences for them using alcohol, cigarettes, marijuana, or illicit drugs. Neurologically, we know that it kind of alters the brain chemistry. Physiologically, they may stunt their growth if they use alcohol or tobacco. So I think having an honest conversation, engaging with them, letting them know that it's probably not wise to even engage in this type of behavior, and show them other options. What is it that they find that's interesting about that substance use? Are their friends using? Ask them the right questions to really start finding the answers, not only for the parents, but for the teens. Neurologically, their brain, normally a child's brain or even any person's brain, is not fully developed. A young man's brain is not fully developed until the age of 21. And a female's brain is not developed until the age of 19. So consider if we know through national studies that they're studying adolescents between the ages of 12 and 17, 42% of them have already responded that they're using alcohol. Well, what does that do for their cognitive effect? What does that do for their learning capabilities at school? What does that do for them engaging in, extracurricular activities, learning how to play music? There's just certain things that it alters within the brain chemistry that we don't want them to be using alcohol. We don't want them to use cigarettes.